I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to record a show or movie on YouTube TV, which will add that content to your YouTube TV library. As an added bonus, I'll also show you how to delete and stop recording shows and movies so that content no longer appears in your YouTube TV library. Step 1. Open a web browser and navigate to tv.youtube.com and then sign in to your YouTube TV account if you're not signed in already. Step 2. Click the search icon on this screen and then enter the show or movie that you want to record. In this example, I'll search for Closing Bell on CNBC. You'll see a list of results. Step 3. Click the show or movie you want to record. An information screen for that item opens. Step 4. Find the plus icon toward the top of this screen and then click it. The plus icon will change to be a check mark and you'll see a note that this show or movie has been added to your library. If it's a show, you'll be notified that new episodes will be recorded as they become available. All current and future airings of that program, including new episodes and reruns, will be automatically recorded and saved in your library section for 9 months. You can access your recorded shows and movies at any time by clicking Library. You can navigate to the Scheduled Recording section to see what recordings are scheduled to happen in the near future. Additionally, you can navigate to the Recordings and Purchases section to see all of the shows and movies you've either recorded or purchased. You can delete and stop recording a show or movie from your YouTube TV Cloud DVR at any time by navigating to the Library section, clicking the show or movie you want to delete and stop recording to open the information screen for that content, and then clicking the check mark to change it back to a plus icon. If this is a show, you'll see a note that new episodes will no longer be recorded and that current recordings are available until they expire. That content will be removed from your library immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.